Yes, I would recommend. What's impactful is learning the basic. It's so important because you have to have the basic, otherwise it would be very overwhelming.
For those that are truly wanting to get a good idea of what to do and not be so cookie cutter and so specific, but to actually think about what we have to do, what's in the best interest of the patient, this has been a great course for that. So I would absolutely recommend taking this course.
I do a lot of the testing, so by what you guys illustrated today, it gives me a good visual of exactly what I'm looking at and how to apply it to some of the testing and be able to explain it, what we're actually doing for the patient.
From a dentist standpoint, everything was very well done and easy to understand. I've really enjoyed my time here, and I'm really excited to see what else the American Academy of Cranio-facial pain has to offer.